Courtesy in public service is not a personality trait. It is a legal requirement. Meron po tayong Republic Act 6713 or the Code of Conduct and Ethical Standards for Public Officials and Employees. Government employees should be respectful, hindi po discriminating, at hindi po nagbibigay ng undue delay. But remember, meron po tayong pwedeng gawing aksyon. Number 1, stay calm and make sure to document what happened. Pinakamabilis na aksyon ay yung pagtawag sa 8888. Dito, you can report anonymously o magpapakilala ka. Pwede ka rin naman mag-report sa ARTA o Anti-Red Tape Authority kung ang problema ay tungkol sa process o delay. Halimbawa, kumpleto naman yung requirements mo, pero hindi inaasikaso yung documents mo without any valid reason. Pwede ka rin mag-report sa Civil Service Commission kung ang problema naman ay ang ugali o asal ng empleyado tulad ng walang respeto, nagsusungit, naninigaw, or there is abuse of authority or any other violation of Republic Act 6713. Pero mahalagang tandaan na ang government employees ay tao rin tulad natin. Kaya dapat balance lang, respeto para sa kanila at respeto rin para sa ating ordinaryong mamamayan. I am Attorney Carla Micalitis and this is The Legal Lens.